joke lang. This is my friend. Siya ang engineer dito. And we're going down. Yeah, okay, me first. Wait. Tingnan nyo muna ang dadaanan namin. Before that, we're going to here and to there.
Wala kaya kita.
Wait! I'll go first.
Kasi sinama dito.
Tingnan mo ako ng cross lock. Ho! Wow. I'm so happy. I'm with my friends now.
Sige, pag nalaglag ka dyan.
Huwag ko man i-whispers, oy. Kaya mong kwan ko, size 7. Yes.
Tayo.
Actually, kumuha ko para mag... Uy, okay lang. Safe dad dito.
Wait.
She's so strong and brave. She can go there by herself. I'm so afraid now. Wow. Pwede din ba? Hi! Hello po. Taga Davao. Rohaina. Ingat. Ayoko na mag-beat. Uy. 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 Kadukan po. Uy. Yung nalakaran ko, guys. It's hard to be an engineer. Ang ganda, guys. I'm proud. Hello guys, dito na ako. I feel like I'm an engineer with Engineer Ayan. Look. Galing kami sa Antiquare to December. Yeah. And lilibutin namin to. May isa pa dito. And this here now. Ganda-ganda dito. Nandun yung flow ng water. And these are the pipes. Here. Round of hot group operation.
Sure.
Yes. I am so proud of Engineer Ayan. Yeah. It's so great.
Alright.
Alright. Woo! This is it. Come to my vlog.
Ian. Right.
Mr. Ayan. Engineer Ayan. Ang gwapo. Ganahan ka, sir. I-send lang na ako ang link sa mo, sir. Matik. Ay, nandito to, sir. Uy, wow. Dito sa clouds.
Ah, sana niya. Ayun, ako na, pabili ito na.
Grabe, sir. Uy.
Pero di ako Shortcut.
Kubos. Maka-proud man ni sir. Uy.
Ano, mag-agi mo ko dali lapok man. Kaya, mga shortcut.
So proud, sir. So proud of you.
Ano yun, baka lang eh.
Mm.
Ano yan, ako, ano na.
Wow. Amazing.
Ano ni siyang sleeper. Kana
Sleeper.
simintohon pa na siya, buusan. Oh man,
So, sir, sleeper?
sleeper.
Sleeper pala. Sorry, guys. Sleeper pala.
Sleeper ba na sinila?
Yan. Wow. Serving the people of this community. Wow. Whew. Nice. Sir, oh God. He's taking picture for the entry. Wow. Whew. Ganda kasi, maganda. Woo. Lalakarin pa namin to.